Hi, welcome back to Stony Point Forge. I just finished up my Kalamazoo belt grinder build. First thing off, I pulled off all the guarding that was on there. The flattened slash work guard. A lever to loosen the belt up with. I've got this set up to sharpen knives. My platen, or my angle gauge is adjustable from 25.5 degrees down to about 9 degrees. I incorporated the same lever that the original had to loosen the belt up. I took this on mainly as a challenge. There wasn't a whole lot to work with. Everything's slotted so I can move my mechanism back and forth from the belt. My platen and angle gauge are both slotted. They'll go in and out. Well, on to my next project. Thanks.